Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the biggest challenges in fashion, looking stylish without spending a ton of money. We've all been there, right? Wondering how to pull together a great look without emptying our wallets. Well, today, I'm sharing some of my favorite budget-friendly style tips that'll help you look amazing without breaking the bank. First up, smart shopping. When building a wardrobe on a budget, the key is quality over quantity. Look for versatile pieces, think plain tees, neutral tone pants, and classic jackets that can work for different occasions. And the best part? Casual Flow Shop has a great selection of basics that are affordable and high quality. These pieces can be styled in so many ways, so you get more out of each item you own. Now let's talk about those affordable essentials. Basics like a well-fitting pair of jeans, a plain white shirt, or a cozy sweater are absolute wardrobe heroes. You don't need to spend big bucks to look good, just check out pieces like these from Casual Flow Shop. They're perfect for mixing and matching, and you won't feel guilty about the price tag. Another big secret? Mixing and matching. Don't underestimate the power of creating multiple outfits with a few key items. One shirt could go with jeans for a casual look, with a skirt for something a bit more polished, or layered under a jacket for a chic, layered vibe. With a little creativity, you find endless options in your closet. Now, let's talk accessories. Accessories can instantly elevate any outfit, and they don't have to cost a fortune. Try adding a scarf, some affordable jewelry, or a stylish belt. It's amazing how these little touches make even a simple outfit look unique and polished. Finally, some quick styling hacks. Rolling up your sleeves, tucking in your shirt, or adding a slight cuff to your jeans are easy ways to look more put together. These tricks are simple, but they add a ton of style to any look without requiring any new purchases. And there you have it, 5 simple tips to keep your style fresh and fun, without spending a lot. Remember, great style doesn't come from how much you spend, but how you put it all together. So next time you're shopping, keep these tips in mind, and make sure to check out Casual Flow Shop for pieces that are stylish, versatile, and easy on the wallet. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which tip was your favorite. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.